Creative types in social ads are crucial for standing out among the 5 million daily Facebook ads. Only 1% achieve excellence. Facebook and Instagram, while sharing an ad platform, offer unique creative opportunities. Choosing the right format impacts engagement, conversion, and return on investment, forming the foundation of successful social advertising. With over 5 million daily Facebook ads, only 1% achieve creative excellence. Facebook and Instagram, though united in platform, offer unique creative opportunities. Choosing the right format is crucial for engagement, conversion, and return on investment. Understanding these formats is essential for successful social advertising, setting the stage for defining campaign objectives and structuring ads effectively. Understanding the Facebook and Instagram ad structure is crucial. At the campaign level, define objectives like awareness, consideration, or conversion. The ad set level involves setting targeting, budget, and placements. Finally, at the ad level, create the content. Aligning creative formats with objectives ensures your message resonates, enhancing campaign success through targeting and creative synergy. Image ads are single photo advertisements with clear messaging and strong visual hierarchy. They excel in brand awareness, product highlights, and promotions. Use high-resolution images, minimal text, and contrasting call-to-action buttons. Notably, ads featuring faces achieve 38% higher click-through rates, enhancing engagement and effectiveness. Video ads excel in storytelling, offering dynamic engagement. Instagram allows up to 60 seconds, while Facebook supports longer durations, though shorter videos perform better. Aim for 5 to 15 seconds, using captions as 85% watch without sound. Showcase demos, brand stories, and tutorials. Hook viewers in 3 seconds, include logos early, and optimize for mobile with square or vertical formats. Carousel ads offer a swipeable format, displaying 2 to 10 images or videos in a single ad unit. They excel in showcasing product features, telling sequential stories, and highlighting benefits. Consistent branding and narrative flow are crucial. Carousel ads outperform static posts, generating 10 times more clicks and 72% higher click-through rates. Use each card to highlight key benefits and include unique calls to action. Stories ads offer a full-screen vertical experience with a 9:16 aspect ratio, appearing between Instagram and Facebook stories. They're ideal for time-sensitive offers and event promotions. Enhance engagement with interactive elements like polls and countdowns. With 500 million daily users, Stories ads effectively reach younger audiences, blending seamlessly into organic content. Collection ads offer a seamless shopping experience by combining a striking cover image or video with a grid of product images. Users can shop directly within Facebook or Instagram. Perfect for retail and fashion brands, setup involves selecting Collection in Ads Manager, choosing a template, uploading cover creative, and connecting your product catalog. Explore ads appear in Instagram's Explore feed, targeting users discovering new content. They engage a higher intent audience with standard image or video formats. Reels ads, short vertical videos, mimic organic content on Instagram and Facebook, excelling with Generation Z and Millennials. They offer a 22% higher click-through rate than traditional placements. Lead ads revolutionize customer signups with mobile-optimized forms, pre-filled with user data, reducing friction. Users submit info without leaving Facebook or Instagram, minimizing abandonment. Seamlessly integrate leads into your customer relationship management via Graph Application Programming Interface, Zapier, or comma-separated values downloads. Businesses see conversion rates soar by up to 183% compared to traditional landing page redirects. Craft compelling ad copy with concise, benefit-driven headlines under 40 characters. Use conversational primary text, leading with value and ending with a strong call to action. Employ action verbs like shop now or claim offer to boost engagement. For video scripts, start with a hook, address a problem, offer a solution, and conclude with a call to action. Begin by opening Ads Manager and selecting your campaign objective, such as conversions or traffic. Configure your ad set by defining the target audience, budget, and placements. Choose the carousel format, adding 2 to 10 cards with creative assets. Include unique URLs and calls to action for each card. Preview your ad, then publish. Track key metrics like impressions, click-through rate, cost per click, conversion rate, and return on ad spend to gauge ad performance. Implement A/B testing by altering one variable at a time, such as format, headlines, or call to action placement. Combat ad fatigue by refreshing creatives every 2 to 3 weeks, especially if click-through rate drops by 25% or more. Retail brands saw a 30% sales increase by using carousel showcases and video testimonials, achieving 2.8 times return on ad spend. A life coach doubled leads with Instagram video ads using a problem-solution-proof formula. A beauty brand reduced cost per purchase by 45% with collection ads and instant experience. These strategies highlight the power of creative formats. Master creative formats by aligning them with your goals, combining elements, and testing. Start small, learn, and scale confidently. The best format resonates with your audience and meets your business goals. Begin experimenting and refine based on performance data.